Hey everyone, ever had that moment where your crush shows up at a party and you're just standing there wondering how to start flirting? You have got a zillion thoughts racing in your head. What if she doesn't like me? Will I get rejected? If you have been there, you are in the right place. Stick around because in this video we are spilling the beans on the 3 solid ways to flirt without breaking a sweat. First up, we have got proceed with caution. You must be pondering which killer pickup line to drop. Hold on. Instead of going all in, take a smoother approach. Studies say being gentle works like a charm. Think being respectful, patient, and not rushing things. Turns out, being nice does not take much effort and helps you figure out if they are into you too. Next on the list, tie signs. It's all about the body language that screams connection. Making eye contact, sharing laughs, or a subtle touch. Those are the cues. Not only do these signals tell your crush you are interested, but they also shoo away potential competition. Now, for all of you shy ones out there, here is the gold. Call a friend. Yup, that's the magic trick for introverts. Research says having a mutual friend introduce you is the ultimate icebreaker. Forget those cheesy pickup lines. They are rated as a big no-go. Instead, let your buddy pave the way for an intro. Low effort, high impact. Remember, when you finally get that moment alone with your crush, take it easy. Maintain eye contact and let your body language do the talking. So, what's your take on flirting? Have you tried any of these tips? Share your stories in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.